Hi, Miss M6589. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, sir. Good day. My name is Raymondin S. Guillermo. I'm 26 years old. I was born on October 19, 1999. I was married. I have one child. He is a boy. He is 3 years old. I was finished my third year level of college in Apayao State College. Took up of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I have an experience here in Philippines as a domestic helper. I have serving three person, two children and one elder. The age of elder is 50 years old and the kids is 2 years old and 5 years old. And and my duties is washing the clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, taking care of the children, and my priority is taking good care of the children.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is the safest place and have a high salary. And I want to work there because I want to save more money for my family's future.
How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Two or more as long as my employer wants me to stay.
Okay, so it is okay to you to extend your contract, right?
Yes.
Okay, since you don't have experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, I'm willing to learn.
Okay, you know how to prepare a milk for a baby
Yes.
because you have a children,
Yes.
right? Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the diaper is full. I will feed he or she, maybe he's hungry. I will check the body temperature. I
Okay,
will find a way to make him or her to stop from crying, like playing, singing. Maybe he or she is sleepy, wants sleep.
okay,
And if they are not want to stop to crying, I will call the parents' attention.
okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
And by watching YouTube, by learning cookbooks.
Okay. If your employer wants you to work on Sunday, it is okay with you?
Yes,
How about taking care of dogs
yes,
or pets rather?
yes,
It is okay to you taking care of elderly.
yes,
It is okay to you to share job with other helper.
yes,
If your employer or one of your employer don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
yes.
Okay. My last question. What will be your message for your employer?
Dear future employer, if you are going to hire me, I promise that I am be a responsible helper to your house. I will treat your family as my own family, and I am a hardworking person, responsibility, trustworthy, honest, and tidy person.
Oh,
Thank you. I hope you choose Mr. and Mom.
okay. Thank you,
Thank you.
Miss Ren Malin.